Hey guys, it's Box Winner CJ, still trying to work on the name, okay? Still KC Gaming, I'm sorry. But today we're doing another unboxing video, and this time, ow, glad the sharp part didn't hit me. I got scissors to open the box. Last episode I unboxed the Combat Tech Xbox One controller, and I had to pre-open it because I did not have my scissors, but now I do. So, put those aside. Today, we're doing a special. We're doing 3 boxes this time. These are Funko Pops from Christmas. Not sponsored. I'm not gonna say unfortunately, because I already did. I don't really like to be sponsored because then I have to go through this and more deals and stuff. But here we go. We're gonna start with our first Funko Pop to unbox. And that would be Fallout 4's The Soul Survivor number 300 and the Fallout series, not Funko Pop number 371. And on the back it tells us how many ones there are in the series. So, right here we have a T-51 Power Armor, number 371, the Soul Survivor, male, 372, the Soul Survival, female, the Nerd Rage Perk, the Assaultron, which I do not like in the game. This is, by the way, 373, 372, 374, and the Sentry Bot, 6-inch model, 375. That's all the ones in this series. It says Vault Dweller, but this is the Soul Survivor because this is what the Soul Survivor looks like. But this is from Funko Pop itself. I got this from my parents got this from GameStop. So yeah, let's unbox them. I do have to put the camera down because, well, one-hand scissors is not going to do anything. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to sort of do this. Show the unboxing. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Okay, so get this off. That's really it. To be honest. That was the only taped item. Okay. So we got the top part open, where his little face is popping out, poking. Ready, guys? Oh, what the? Oh, I see. Okay, so this is what I figured out. I can't pull them out, I have to pull a flap. I don't know if y'all can see, you guys can see that, but, yeah, he's got a flap. So I need to... Oh no, I tore the box. I did not. I'm gonna put these back in, guys, but here is our Fallout 4 Soul Survivor. I love the detail. Oh, his head moves, so but I'm gonna keep it like that. So you could have him like looking that way. He's got a little Nuka-Cola in his hand. He's got military grade A armor over his Vault 111 jumpsuit. He's even got that iconic Pip-Boy and the Nuka-Cola, like I said. His head moves, and so you could like twist it around and stuff. But yeah, that's the Fallout 4 Soul Survivor number 371 in the Fallout Funko Pop series. So I'm gonna place this little guy right here. I'm gonna place his box right behind him. So the next one of my favorite video game series, the Halo series. This is Halo series. He's part of the Halo series. This is Buck. He's a Spartan in Halo 5 and Halo 6. Or I don't know about Halo Infinite, sorry. But he's from the ODST game, and this is Buck when he was an ODST before he became one of the Spartan participants. So he is number 9 in the Halo series, and we only have 4 in this series, unfortunately. We have number 7, which is Master Chief with Cortana. We have number 8, and that's Sergeant Johnson. And number 9, which is Buck when he's an ODST. We also have the Arbiter for number 10. Collect them all. Yeah, you get it. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. He's got tape on him as well. Oh. Soul Survivor down. Okay. Oh, by the way, when you unbox Funko Pops, cut away from yourself when you're getting the tape off. It's not good to do that yourself because you could cut yourself. A little bit of safety. He also got the flowers. So I got it. Ooh, that scared me. I thought I broke him. Ooh, he's like stuck in there. Ugh. Here, I'm gonna put his box right here for now. Ooh, very smooth plastic. Soul Survivor doesn't have that much smooth plastic, but yeah. So here's ODST buck. If you didn't know, ODST stands for Orbital Drop Shock Troopers for the non-Halo people. I recommend Halo. It's a very fun game. But yeah, he's got his little M1 assault rifle in the game. He's got his little antennas on his helmet. He's got his helmet. He's got a lot of armor on him. Overall, I think this is a good Funko Pop along with him. They could be little friends. They could be like, oh, hey, what's up, man? Oh, hi. Look at the new gun I got. Oh, wow, sick. I got a new flavor of Nuka-Cola. Wow. But yeah, so here is ODST Buck from Halo ODST. I'm going to stick him over here with the Soul Survivor. Let me check the time. 6 minutes. Good. And for our final one, the game that's been taking the nation, I mean the whole entire world, we have the Merry Marauder from Fortnite, number 33, not 34, Fortnite, Merry Marauder. This is a Funko Pop, so we can get a lot, so we can get 4, 8, 12, 16 Fortnite characters. If you're in the Fortnite, I recommend these. So we have number 3, 426. I have to lift this up. So 426 is the Black Knight. 427 is the Bright Bomber. 428 is codename Elf. Number 429 is Crackshot. Number 430 is Cuddle Team Leader. Number 431 is High Rise Assault Specialist, not Trooper. They got that wrong because it's High Rise Assault Trooper, not Specialist. But that's on their part, not mine. 432 is the Love Ranger. Number 433 is our good boy Gingy, or aka the Merry Marauder. 434 is the Moonwalker, which is a Season 3 skin if you didn't know. I did not know until I looked her up a couple days ago. 435 is Omega. 436 is Raptor. 437 is Red-Nosed Raider. 438 is our good boy Skull Trooper. 439 is our Tower Recon Specialist. Oh, I think they got the printing wrong. Tower Recon Specialist, High Rise Assault Specialist. Yeah, I think I found that out. 442 is the Dark Voyager, and 443 is Rex, the good boy dinosaur. So, excuse me. So let's unbox Mr. Merry Marauder right now. Get the tape off. Now I don't want to tear the boxes, guys. Reason being, probably down in the comments you guys are gonna be like, oh, just tear the box open, that makes it easier. Well, I want to put them back in their little boxes because that's what a lot of people do. And I'm one of those people. I used to have my little brother has not a Mario one, not a Fortnite one. He has a Minecraft Steve, and I told him just to leave it in the box, and he did, so right here, we have Merry Marauder, the Gingy skin from Fortnite Battle Royale, and for some reason, he kind of looks like Sackboy from Adventures of Sackboy, or whatever that game was called for the PS4, or the PS games. I do not have a PS4 console, PS3, PS2, PS1. My big brother used to have a PS2. Broke, unfortunately, so we swapped to Xbox because those are more reliable. Don't put it in the comments, PS4 people. But yeah, so we have Merry Marauder, all in his gingerbread glory. Gonna, like all the other two, you can spin his head around a lot. He's got shiny red boots. He's got a green bow tie. I don't know if you can see that now, but I think you could. He's got like a little map, I guess. I don't know what that is used. Cosmetic, I guess. Cosmetic idea. But a little map. He's got like a bandolier thing, and it's like candy canes, but on the back it's red. Overall, yeah, I think he's a really good Funko. The smoothing is very nice on him. He's even got like little stitch patterns all throughout his like little top half, his little head mask. He's got the paper mat, or the cardboard mat. I don't know if it's paper or cardboard. I think it's cardboard in the game. I'm not sure. But yeah, so here's a Merry Marauder. Maybe I should just put him at the boxes. I will do that. So you guys will have to watch me manually. I'll just close the box. No, I won't put him in there. Boom. So here is Buck in his ODST form, number 9 in the Halo series. I recommend this Funko Pop. Very, very nice. Very, very detailed, if you ask me. So there's, almost said Roebuck, that's World at War. Next, we're gonna do our good boy, the Sole Survivor. The only one that ever gets to live. That's weird. Every Fallout game, you escape a vault and you're always the only one to live, besides Fallout 3 in New Vegas. Because New Vegas, you don't start out in a vault. You start out as a guy getting... Oh, wrong guy. But Fallout 3 doesn't count because there's like other people left after the infestation of the red. Screw. So we have Mr. I escaped Vault 111 alive somehow. Very nice, little nose. Funny thing is, he's the only character in my Funko Pop collection that has a nose. Well, no dirt, because he's wearing a helmet and he's wearing a mask, but... So here's one last look over our Vault Dweller male, our Sole Survivor. Close up. His head moves. Got a star on his chest plate. That is the Sole Survivor male from Fallout 4. And finally, we have I just messed up the box. I could be a packager one day, sort of. There we go. We have good old Merry Marauder. I don't know if y'all can see that. In case of that, I'll move the camera. We have Merry Marauder here, Fortnite Battle Royale, and Save the World. I don't know if he's in Save the World, not sure. But one last look at him. He's got his cardboard mask, he's got his stitches here, he's got his map. Very shiny things. And that is all the Funko Pops I have for today. So, this was a 14-minute video over the Funko Pops. I'll put them down here so you guys can see them. I'm wearing pajamas because I didn't really want to change. Besides, it is Christmas break. Gotta enjoy it. So we have Merry Marauder, Vault Dweller male, Sole Survivor male, and Buck ODST form. So guys, that's all I have for today. This was not a sponsored video. I'll tell you that. So was not the Xbox one. I forgot to mention that. But yes. My overall review and my favorite is my overall review on this one. 4 stars. The only problem I have with him is that where is it? yeah, it's like right under here where his like top half is. There's a bit of skin color on the hair, but that's really not noticeable. To be honest with you, you really can't notice that. But that's 4 out of 5, like 4.5, kind of. Well, yeah. So we got Vault Dweller guy, Soul Survivor. I give this guy a 5 out of 5. Perfect job. No mishaps. No nothing. Branding right on the foot. The brand number. Yeah, that's all I have for Gingy, my Marauder. 5 out of 5. And Buck. I keep mispronouncing his name. But if you can't tell, he is like a dark gray, like a dark brown, light brown on the top. He's a very dark colored skin. I don't have a very good lighting. As you can tell, his visor part of his helmet is like a light blue glass, kind of. Has an M1 assault rifle that's gray and black. Fingerless gloves, because why not? He's a bad, but he's a bad A. I can't say the A word. That's bad. But he's a very fun character to look at. And branding's right. 5 out of 5. My favorite throughout these 3, I would have to go with the Soul Survivor, because I'm a huge Fallout nerd. I love the Soul Survivor. I love Fallout 4, so I'd have to go with him. My second favorite would be Gingy, because why not? And Fortnite's fun. Third would be this guy, Buck, but he's not my final. He's not the worst. I'm not saying he's the worst. This guy's pretty cool, but I'm not saying he's the best either. He's an okay. He's cool, and he is like the best. I smacked him in the face like 3 billion times. But guys, that's it for this video. One last look at our little collection here. Let me just set up their little boxes. Uh-oh. I almost knocked over my Marauder. And I'm sorry, this time my lighting was bad. But, yeah, so we got Mary Marauder here from Fortnite Battle Royale and Save the World. I don't know if he's from Save the World, not sure. We have the Soul Survivor from Fallout 4 drinking a Nuka-Cola with military grade armor. I was just looking at the ground. Here, I'll put him in a light, kinda. There you go. Then we have finally Sergeant Buck from Halo, number 9, number 371, 433. Guys, that's all I have for this video. This was an 18-minute video. This is special. 3 Funko characters. I'm gonna put these back in their boxes because I don't want to get them dirty. And he's got like a little sparkle in his hair. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe in the next video, I will unbox, I'm not sure what I'll unbox. I'll come up with something, but I'll see you guys later in the next video. Subscribe, like, follow my Mixer channel. I do not stream on Twitch. I cannot get onto my Xbox. But, yeah, go check out my Mixer. My Mixer is the Holy Cow 202. I'll put it down in the description. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more unboxing videos. And Casey Gaming this is not a gaming channel, unfortunately. This is a unboxing video channel.